Welcome to episode 143 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a double bottom trade setup. A double bottom trade setup is formed at a key support and resistance area, and once we see this type of a trade setup, we're looking for price to move higher. So this is a bearish reversal pattern, and we are going to take a long trade because we're looking for price to go up. So let's go on to the charts and take a look at how to take a trade based on this type of trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, where to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at a double bottom trade setup. This is Aussie US dollar 1 hour chart. So in a double bottom trade setup, we are looking for two areas where the price reacts. So in this case, we see that the price comes down here and then pushes off of this level. So this is a great support level. And a few days later, as we can see, price comes into this level again. And as we can see, it's not able to break through. So this here gives us a good indication that this is a valid setup. Once we see the price not being able to break below this previous support or resistance level, this is a good place for us to enter the trade. So these two together form our double bottom trade setup. So this is an intraday double bottom trade setup. In this case, as the price is consolidating here, what we want to look for is a good candle that shows us that price is likely to continue higher. So in this case, we have a bullish pin bar here, which is a good sign. And we also have then a bullish engulfing candle. So that is really good. That's a strong bullish candle, which shows us that price is not willing to go below this level. Once we get this set up here, once we get this candle, we can enter our trade long. So we are looking for price to bounce off of this level just like it did here. So we enter the trade long, our stop goes below here. We put it right here so that we have some room just in case price wanted to come and test this level once again. Our stop goes below the lows and we enter the trade and stay with the trade as the price is going higher. So now we come to the end of the day here and we get this bearish engulfing candle here. We can exit the trade here, or if you were holding the trade, you see that the price is not moving higher here. We are getting more candles to the downside, so that's a good place to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 35 pips in our trade. So our profit is 35 pips. So just to recap, a double bottom trade setup is where price comes and reacts at a level that it has reacted at previously. In this case, price came into this support or resistance level and bounced off of that. Few days later, it comes into the same level once again. And as we can see here, price is struggling to break below this level. Once we get some good bullish candles here, we can enter our trade long. Stop goes below the lows here, making sure we give the trade some room to breathe, and then we stay with the trade till we get some sort of a reversal signal in the opposite direction. So here we have a bearish engulfing candle, and we also have these more bearish candles, so you can exit the trade somewhere in here. From entry to exit here, we get 35 pips in the trade. So our profit is 35 pips or $350 if trading one standard lot.
If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well as share this with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.